You would normally pay $500 or more for this kind of feature set, but this watch launches at just $184.99 and is not just rugged, it's refined, dive-ready, GPS-packed and built for serious athletes. This is the KOSPET Tank T4. What's up everyone, welcome back, or welcome, and if it's the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video, and share it all around your friends. Today, we are reviewing the last watch from KOSPET, the KOSPET Tank T4. This smartwatch just dropped a few days ago, and in this video, I'm going to tell you all about this smartwatch, specs, how it performs, price, and so on. And in the end, I will tell you if it's worth buying the KOSPET Tank T4. Let's start with the review. The KOSPET Tank T4 has a price tag of $209.99, but because it's just launched, comes with a price tag of $184.99. So have a look in the website and you can change for the UK, so the prices are similar. So because it's in dollars, the UK will be a little bit cheaper, but it's pretty much the same. Like always, I'm gonna leave links in the video description, so please use them. It doesn't harm you and helps the channel. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside of the box, you get the Tank T4 itself, 2 leather straps, a black and a brown one, and a separate accessory called Power Pocket. It's not sold with a watch, but worth mentioning because it doubles your battery life. With the Power Pocket, you are looking at up to 50 days of use. That's wild. Now, let's talk build quality. The Tank T4 features the Inox 360 shield structure, a stainless steel unibody that's sealed for extreme water resistance and corrosion protection. The front back panels are Corning Gorilla Glass 3, which means scratch resistance, anti-fingerprint coating, and smooth touch response even when wet. It feels premium, solid, and ready for anything. The watch has 4 buttons. On the left side you have the up and down button, on the right side the select and the back button. It looks really cool. The KOSPET Tank T4 was put through the ringer, drop tests, key scratches, water immersion. It's SCG certified to meet 20 US MIL STD 810H standards. That's military grade toughness. And with 10 ITM and IP69K ratings, it's waterproof up to 45 meters and can handle high pressure washdowns. This thing is built as a tank, literally. The AMOLED display is another standout. You get a 1.43 inches screen with 466 by 466 resolution with 461 ppi and up to 1000 nits of brightness. It's crisp, vibrant, and readable even in direct sunlight. The ambient light sensor adjusts brightness automatically, and it supports always-on display mode too. The Tank T4 uses dual-band L1 plus L5 GNSS OPDR and a 6-axis gyroscope. That means fast and accurate positioning even in urban environments or indoors. You can use it on hikes or in the city. It locked on quickly, tracking your route precisely and lets you make waypoints and track back. You can import GPS and KML files, plan routes, and share them straight on social media. For outdoor navigation, you got a barometer, altimeter, and compass. You can check real-time altitude, pressure, and directions, plus it gives you sunrise and sunset data, moon phases, tide info, and even extreme weather alerts. It's like having a full outdoor toolkit on your wrist. Talking about sports tracking, the Tank T4 supports 183 sports modes, including 23 Apex Motion professional modes and 160 freestyle training modes. It auto-recognizes 6 common movements like walking, running, and cycling. You can create personalized training plans via the Apex app, customize your workout data display, and set reminders. It's built for serious athletes. Health tracking is equally impressive. The Tank T4 uses a next-gen 4PD sensor, the same tech found in high-end wearables like Apple Watch and Garmin. It tracks heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, emotion, and sleep stages, including REM. It even supports menstrual cycle tracking and weight management. Talking about software, the watch runs on KOSPET's self-developed Apex Move OS. It's smooth, animated, and highly customizable. You can change UI themes, sports, business, personal, reorder menus, tweak workout displays, and even customize vibration patterns and ringtones. It feels polished and very responsive. The companion app is available on iOS and Android. It lets you plan routes, manage training programs, view health data, and download watch faces. You get up to 3 years of workout history, 24/7 customer support built in the app. It's clean, intuitive, and packed with features. Battery life. You are looking up to 15 days on regular use, 9 to 10 days with heavy use, and 21 to 22 hours of continuous GPS tracking. It charges in about 2 hours via the magnetic base, and again, with the power pocket you can extend that dramatically. The Tank T4 has also some smart features including Bluetooth calling, app and message notifications, music and camera control, and even voice assistant support. With 32 GB of storage, you can load up to 5,000 songs and 100 offline maps. This is more than enough for most users. So, my final opinion. The KOSPET Tank T4 is not just a rugged smartwatch. It's a full-featured outdoor companion. From the build quality to the GPS performance, health tracking, and app integration, it punches away above its price point. At $184.99 with lunch coupons, it's easily one of the best smartwatches of 2025. Whether you practice sports and do a lot of training, or just want a reliable, stylish smartwatch for everyday use, this is a serious contender. And that's it, guys. This was our review on the KOSPET Tank T4. In my opinion, one of the best smartwatches of 2025. Like always, I'm gonna leave links in the video description, so please use them. It doesn't harm you and helps the channel. If you found any value in this review, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Like always, Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.